you've got your Android tablet, you've got your cable, which is your small USB to large USB, and you've got a USB with your games on. The USB is now attached. Right, now that it's all plugged in, you need to find your folder that's called APK Installer. Tap that. It will then open up with three icons. Choose the top one that says Install. Right, now you've got that far. What you need to do now is look for your USB, and this one's called USB memory. Hit that, and now it can see the USB that's connected to it. In this case I've put the games in a folder called Android Games. Tap that. Right, that's it. Now you can see them. Your first game is called Baggit. Tap it. The piece opens up. One quote says cancel, the other says install. You want to install it. Click install and you can see that it's installing. Just got to wait for this to work its way through. Right, now you see that it's finished. It said app installed. Come down to the bottom and you'll see done or open. In this case we're just going to press done. And that's the game installed. All you need to do now, you can either carry on and put the rest of the games in, or just go back to using your arrow key down the bottom and exit. Right, now we're looking at the apps that are installed, and there's the one that we've just installed here called Baggit. It's opened up, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Just play it again.